Assalamu alaikum, my dear students of class 6. How are you? Hope all of you are fine by the blessing of Almighty Allah. Welcome back to our online platform NIEVS Home School. This is Abul Kalam, Assistant Teacher of National Ideal English Version School. Dear students, today I am going to conduct agriculture studies class for the students of class 6. Let's see our today's topic. It is chapter 4, CQ-1 and 2. So look, our today's topic is chapter 4, CQ-1 and 2. So look, this is our lecture number 4 and homework number 3 on our annual term 2021 syllabus. Dear students, let's start. At first, the esteem of chapter 1, CQ-1. Chapter 4. Okay, look here. Jayanto Sen cultivated different types of vegetable in his kitchen garden. His daughters Koil chose to sow some mustard seeds there in the month of Ch-4. Though the seeds germinated, the seedlings died after several days. But the vegetable such as snake gourd, pointed gourd that his father showed grew well. When Koil asked Jayanto Sen about the matter, he said that the knowledge of season about crop cultivation was very necessary. This is the esteem. Okay, knowledge of season cultivation was very necessary or is very necessary for cultivating the crops. Dear students, look, this is the esteem of chapter 4 CQ1 and look at the first question. It is, what is climate? What is it? What is climate? Now to get the answer, we need to go to next page. Okay, what is climate? Answer, the climate of a place is the average of weather of the duration of 25 to 30 years of that place. Okay. Now, question number B. Explain that the cultivation, land cultivation is dependent on rainfall. Question number 2 answer. Both organic and inorganic nutrients remains in soil. Plants can take in all these nutrients only when soil gets wet with rainfall. For want of water, plants dry up and then die off. Now, crops grow in a land where there is no rain. This is why farmers irrigate their crops field when it doesn't rain in time. Question number 3. Describe the reason why Koil's shown seedlings died. I am telling again, describe the reason why Koil's shown seedlings died. Answer. Koil's seedling died because she showed the right seed in the wrong season. Mustard is a rabi crop which is to be planted during the autumn. In Bangla it is called Ashin and Kartik. This period is called rabi season. All the rabi crops requires low temperature, less rainfall, low humidity and shorter days. But Koil showed mustard seed in a time of belonging to a high humidity. Look at the fault of Koil it is. And longer days, and these characteristics are quite unfavorable for mustard cultivation. We have got the question number C. Now question number D. Analyze the opinions of Koil's father about crop cultivation, about the importance of season. Now look, answer number D. Koil's fathers expressed a universal fact. Crop cultivation greatly depends on sharp ideas of cultivation, both planting and harvesting. However, one may easily understand the time of harvesting. Seeing crops ripen by plantation is not a matter of mere assumption. There is particular period for sowing or planting particular crops. It is not that jute can be planted in winter or watermelon in the rainy season. Rabi crops and kharif crops are quite different in the sense that they grow in two different weathers, already mentioned in the answer number C. This is the universal law of nature. Okay. Now look at the CQ number 2. Sadia went to visit her maternal uncle's house, which was located in an industrial area. The area was densely populated and there were nothing else except high-rise building and vehicles. She began to feel uncomfortable in the extreme heat. She felt pain to breathe. Later, her father discussed the matter with Mr. Anwar, an environmental expert, who said that the unawareness of the inhabitants of the locality was responsible for the situation. Look, this is the step. Now questions, when is the highest temperature of Bangladesh found? Now to get the answer, we will go to this page. Answer number 2. Answer, the highest temperature of Bangladesh occurs during April to August. Question number B. Explain that humidity is the cause of rainfall. Explain that humidity is the cause of rainfall. Now to get the answer, look B number. Humidity is the quantity of vapor in the air. Cloud is created for the impact of water vapor in the air. Gradually, this cloud becomes heavy and drops into the soil as rain. Heavy downpour occurs if there is more humidity in the air. It can be said that this humidity is the reason of rainfall. Now question number C. Describe the reasons of Sadia's feeling of discomfort in her maternal uncle's house. Now look at the answer. The house of Sadia's maternal uncle is situated in a densely populated area. The area only contains buildings and vehicles. There are no trees. Carbon dioxide is produced by the fuel of vehicles burning. This carbon dioxide in the air increases temperature of the environment. There are huge quantities of carbon dioxide, carbon monoxide, chlorofluorocarbon, methane gas in the air. As Sadia's uncle's house is situated in an industrial area, the amount of ozone is decreasing due to this gas. As a result, Sadia felt uneasy in the summer and faint in Helings. Question number D. Opens or give your opinions how Sadia's maternal uncle's area could be saved from environmental pollution. Now look, Sadia's maternal uncle's house is situated in an industrial area. The quantity of the trees is very few in that place, as the place is densely populated and full of industries and mills. The place is full of high-rise buildings and cars. There is no such amenity of trees which is needed to absorb the produced carbon dioxide in that area. The amount of oxygen in the air is less. It rains less also. Warmth is felt more. Tree plantation is adequate quantity is needed to be ensured to solve the problem in that area. If there is no sufficient land for the plantation of trees, the roofs of house and yards of mills and factories should be used for the plantation of trees. The trees would absorb additional carbon dioxide and increase the quantity of oxygen. Therefore, the area would be free from pollution. This is the answer. So look, our last attraction is homework. This is our third homework, and look, chapter 4 you will do CQ-1 A, B, C. Okay? From question number 1 you will write only A, B, C. This is your homework, third number homework. Dear students of class 6, I hope that this class will help you very much to understand CQ1 and 2 from chapter 4, and do your homework properly. See you again, inshallah. Assalamu alaikum.